In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a milestone in a Smartsheet project sheet. To get started, open your Smartsheet project sheet. This is the sheet where your project schedule is already being managed, and it's important that you begin in the correct file so the milestone appears in the right timeline. Once the sheet is open, take a moment to look over the structure of your project plan before making any changes. Next, make sure your sheet includes both a start date column and an end date column. These two columns are essential because Smartsheet uses them to place tasks and milestones on the project timeline. If your sheet is already set up as a project sheet, these columns may already be there. It's a good idea to quickly confirm that both are visible and being used properly, since the milestone depends on those dates to display correctly in Gantt view. After that, add a new task row for the milestone. You can insert this row wherever it makes the most sense in your project plan, usually near the phase or activity that the milestone is related to. Keeping milestones close to the relevant tasks can make the overall schedule much easier to read and understand later. Once the new row is in place, enter the same date in both the start date and end date fields for that row. This is the key step that turns a regular task into a milestone in Smartsheet. Because the task starts and finishes on the exact same day, Smartsheet recognizes it as a single point in time rather than a duration-based activity. Now, add the milestone name in the task column. Choose a clear and specific name so anyone reviewing the sheet can immediately understand what that milestone represents. For example, it could reflect a deadline, a major approval, a launch date, or the completion of an important phase. Clear naming helps everyone on the project stay aligned. With that done, switch to Gantt view. To confirm that the item appears as a milestone, in the timeline, it should display differently from standard tasks, making it easy to identify as a key project marker. This is a good moment to visually verify that the date is correct and that the milestone appears in the expected place within the schedule. Finally, save the sheet and review the project timeline. A quick final review helps ensure the milestone fits logically within the broader plan and supports accurate project tracking going forward. And that's how to add a milestone in a Smartsheet project sheet.